most people, when they buy something and they do an unboxing, it's of something new, but this is something that I bought off of eBay. And it is an item that probably a lot of people don't buy used, and that is the Ember self-heating mug. I bought it used because it was, instead of the normal, $100, $80, instead this was only about $50, and it looked like it was in pretty good condition. And so I figured that this was worth a shot. So let's just do an unboxing of this, see how it looks. Okay, it looks like it was packaged really nicely. Now, this was not the Ember website or anything like that. This was just somebody who I think owned it. And so, great job on packaging. My goodness. The shipping was free. This is a tremendous job on packaging. Wow. Really good. There is no, and again, this is not with the original box, but you know what? This is really well packaged. If anything. And the charger here. Okay, so wow. Let's just look at this first. This is the charger here, and I want to look at some signs of wear and see what we got. Well packaged here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so first of all, this bottom here is a very it's like a rubber. See? Look at that. It's for nuts. It's really nice. So that's tremendous. And it, again, this looks like, I don't know, it doesn't look like it was used very heavily, and so that's really, really neat. Yeah, this seems to be in really good shape. Wow. Okay, that's awesome. All right, let's get into the mug here. Again, really well packaged. I'll have to give this guy a rating. Real nice 5-star review coming his way. Try. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna obliterate this. Hello, puppy. Okay, we're doing bad things. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'm looking in here. This does not look like this was heavily used at all. I don't see any. Wow, this is in nice condition. Just this here, I could have just done that. Yeah, this thing looks brand new, almost. Almost looks brand new. And the inside of this, just maybe, I don't know. Doesn't smell like anything. There's just some static stuff in here. There's not really much going on with it. So, wow. Really cool. Really nice. Okay, so I just want to see, like, give you an idea of how much this weighs. It's almost a pound. It's basically a pound. It's definitely heavier than your normal mug, but not by as much as you'd think. Keep an eye out for an upcoming video on my review of this mug. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I want to explain, what it's been like having this mug, how well it's performed as far as a used mug from eBay. And so keep an eye out for that. Like, subscribe, and see you later.